Hello everyone, today we will start a new lesson, PowerPoint 2016. So lesson 1, how to start PowerPoint in Windows. So to start a new presentation or to edit an existing one, the first thing you must do is starting Microsoft PowerPoint. So you can just click in search and start typing PowerPoint. Then you will find the icon there. Once you click on the icon, it will display a list of current templates available for you. For the sake of training, we will just click on blank presentation. We'll click on the blank presentation, and now you have PowerPoint started in front of you with the interface. Actually, the interface is very interesting. I really love PowerPoint. Have you seen this interface before? It's similar to all other Microsoft products. So it's really familiar interface. We start at home, then insert, design, transition, animation, slideshow, review, view. Then we have the help. At the top, we have minimize, maximize, close. We have zooming also. I didn't mention anything about file. If you click on file, it will take you to different view. This different view called backstage view. In the backstage view, you can configure different options. You can change settings of PowerPoint. We will discuss that at a later stage. For the time being, I'm just showing you the interface, and you can notice here we can add titles or subtitles. Also, we have the zooming. Once you increase a little bit the size of the display, you will find on your right hand a vertical scroll bar, also horizontal scroll bar. This will enable you to see different places and navigate. At the top, you will notice we have some icons grouped in different groups. So for example, clipboard, slides, font, paragraph, drawing, and so forth. I was telling you about minimize. So if you minimize like that, it will show you my background, and you can click again to maximize. You can change that, or even you can close. Also at the corners here, you can control the size and change the size of the window based on your preference. For my personal preference, I prefer maximize so I can see everything in front of me, and also I can change zooming. We have different views here. We will discuss them at a later stage. And also, you can start the slideshow by clicking on this icon. So that was the intro for starting PowerPoint. Now we close PowerPoint by clicking on the close at the top right corner. So if you click close, it will close PowerPoint safely. So again, you start by typing, or even you can click on start. Now you have the PowerPoint. Just I wanted to show you something. If I open here and I did some changes and try to close, it will ask me, do you want to save or not? If you click on save, it will open save as, because this is the first time we click on save. Now you can choose the location and also the type of the file. You notice PDF, Acrobat, PDF files. So you can protect your presentation, or simply older versions or the current one. Then you click on save, give it a name, and that's it. We'll discuss some more options related to the ribbon at the top. If, for example, I want to add another slide here, so click like that, or new slide, just you can click on the new slide there. You will notice once I click here, I have activated the options at the top. If I just click outside, the options at the top are not activated yet. So I will show you some options. So you will notice with the groups, some of the groups, not all groups, you have a small icon at the corner. If you click on this icon, it will show you a dialog box with additional information or additional options you can do and use with the current font or paragraph or settings or slide. It depends on where you click on this icon and the group you are clicking on, different options. So this will launch additional dialog box related to paragraph, drawings, and so forth. At the same time, if you right click on mouse button, so if you click like that, it will show you some very useful options and other options at the top. If you right click on the horizontal or vertical bar, you will find some other options. So it's always nice to right click everywhere and check the options and what you will get from PowerPoint, helping you achieving your goal and doing this stuff. So now you can right click to get more options. You can use these small icons to get additional dialog box. You will get also some help once you hover your mouse over any of the icons at the top in the ribbon. You will get some help information. At the same time, quick access toolbar also, or quad, you can add or remove some icons clicking on this one, for example email. So this will help me to attach the current presentation to an email. If you don't like it, you can just click again to remove it and add something else, maybe print preview and print. If you are printing your presentation, so maybe this is useful, you can again remove it by clicking on it again. So here we can discuss these options at later stage. So in the following sessions, we can discuss more about different options in the interface and related to the ribbon and these icons. Thank you for your time. Hope to see you again in next sessions, and please do not forget to subscribe